sing of the goodness of God. Oh, I'm gonna sing of the goodness of God. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. And your goodness is running after, it's running after me. All my life you have been faithful, and all my life you every breath that I am able, I'm gonna sing of the goodness of God.
I urge you that let the song not just be just for you being entertained or anything. Let it also speak a message to you. God bless you all.